Yep. I thought I'd turn my baloney into a Christmas hamper. With my budgies. This is how I love to celebrate Christmas. And it also gives you ladies something a bit exciting. So, you know, a reason to vote for me in the next election. Look, and speaking of fashion statements like this, I mean, look, it's the time of Elton John. You know, it's all right to be a little bit gay. But this is just a fashion statement. And I'd like to talk about the fashion of the moment. Gay marriage. Yes. Where the hell am I? Now, in those old free love days, gay people didn't give a bar about gay marriage. No, we didn't hear a bloody peep out of them. Probably because, you know, you were too busy getting beaten up and carted off to jail. But that's beside the point. Now that marriage is all the fashion again, you want to jump on the bandwagon, don't you? And get married! Bloody hell! Look, my gay sister Christine has been chewing my ear off endlessly about wanting to get married. Oh. And I wish her, Christine, and her vagina, her lovely Virginia, the best of luck. They'll need it. Because, where the hell am I again? Bloody hell. This is a maiden speech. If they do have some sort of a bizarre ceremony, I will be there to support them. And I'll bring a present. The Gideon Bible. And my other favourite reading in the whole world. The Joy of Heterosexual Sex. Oh, I love that book. Now, where are we? Oh, bloody hell. Now, all the women in my family have been chewing my ear off about gay marriage and saying that I need to modernise my perspective and get with the program. And as the Minister for Women, their Minister for Women, I have told them to shut the hell up or I'll raise the tax on tampons. Bloody hell. Because, you know, women have to be controlled. In a nice way. Look, now, I do agree that all people should be given respect and dignity, regardless of their opinions or how ugly or fat they may be, or even if they might be women. But I do agree that all people, I've done that one. Look, although I'm a traditionalist, I fully support, by and large, evolutionary change. Just as long as those by and large people don't want to marry each other.
Here they come.
Who? Wow.
I'm not scared of you gay people. No, I'm not. In fact, I know a lot of gay people. Very intimately. Especially in the lifeguard changing rooms. I've had some wonderful times there, but I have to say that those relationships do not necessarily constitute marriage. Now, where are we? There are lots of great relationships, terrific relationships. But marriage is between a man and a woman. Yes, it is, and it's been that way since time immemorial in every culture known to me. Like Australian culture and American culture. And I'd like to say that it's really... look, it's not about whether I am against or for gay people or gay marriage. It's that simple. It's a question of adhering to the Bible. The Constitution. And what constitutes a marriage relationship is this. Lots and lots of little male spermatoma wiggling their way up a nice, moist female passageway and creating the next generation of tax-paying Australians. So thank you very much for listening. Have a terrific Christmas and enjoy your freedom while you still have it. You people.